everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Littlestarplans. Today's video is decorating in the week of July 18 to 21st in HOBONICHI planner. In the beginning clip, I wanted to include a short behind the scene clip of myself packing some orders. Here we are back at HOBONICHI planner. I start off with the date cover up. This was one of my leftover stickers from my sweet summer kit. You can find this kit in my shop and the link is listed in the description. Next, I cover up at the top page using these foil starry washi on both pages. For those who have supported my shop in the past, I thank you so much and I really appreciate all the support and love from all of you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy all the stickers. Next, I would use these bottom washi stickers and stick them at the bottom page. The bottom washi are actual stickers. I designed them so it can be served as washi stickers and I love how it turned out. The next step I will use is a ruler and I'll create a border on the outside of the page and some boxes, and you'll see in a bit what I mean by that. I wanted to try something different for my channel and including some of the voiceover in Plan With Me videos. If you find these are helpful, please let me know in the comments below. But if you prefer silence video, do let me know as well so I can definitely, make the best videos for you guys. Voila! So here is the final look to the page, and now let's get straight to decorating. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone!